Okay, in this case, the bandwidth is smaller than the FM. So this band of frequency is enough for AM, and normally we assign this band of frequency to AM, and for FM we assign 88 megahertz band of frequency to 108 megahertz. So this is in the megahertz. Mega means 10 to the power 6 hertz. So and mostly we assign a bandwidth of 200 kilohertz in FM. So let's check the number of radio stations. So if you use this band, 530 kilohertz to 1700 kilohertz for the bandwidth of 200 kilohertz, then the number of radio stations will be very less. Like that will be 1700 minus 530 divided by, you can do it like 1700 minus 530 divided by 200. So you will get a very less amount of the radio station. But if you use 9 kilohertz, which is the bandwidth of AM, and that is less than the FM bandwidth. So if you use 9 kilohertz, then the number of radio station will be high. And let's check it. So that will be, I think we also find it last time. That is, I think, 130 radio station. We find it last time. So that is 130 radio station. So now let's take the FM, and let's take the bandwidth that is 200 kilohertz, and band of frequency, let's say we take this 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. So let's find the number of radio station. So the number of radio station will be 108 minus 88 divided by 200. Is there any mistake there? So the answer is 0.1. Is there any mistake?
Yes, you have to convert it.
To convert what?
Megahertz to.
Yeah, megahertz. So yeah, so if you convert it, so that will be 100. Yes, that will be 100. 8 minus 88 times 1000 divided by 200. Yes, so you will get 100 radio station. And in this case, we get 167 minus 530 divided by 9. So yes, so in this case, we get 100 radio station. But if you use this bandwidth for this range of frequencies, so you will get how many radio station? That will be minus 530 divided by 200. So you will get 5.85. So you will get only 5 radio station if you use this band of frequencies for FM station, which is very less than this amount. Okay, next question is, do you have any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, next question is the greater bandwidth available on FM an advantages or disadvantages? So this is both. Actually, if you use a greater bandwidth for FM, then it will give you a better quality of sound. And but it is also same as, it is also a disadvantage.
Less radio station.
Yeah, less radio station, good. Okay, next question. FM is used largely in town and AM in rural settings. Suggest why?
AM is cheaper.
AM is cheaper. Yeah, that is also one reason. But that is not a valid reason. Because in a rural area, there is also some people who can afford FM. So there is a rural is less populated area. Okay, rural is less populated area, and town is.
So one transmitter will be enough. So one transmitter will be enough in rural area.
Yeah, so one transmitter will be enough. You mean from one transmitter you means one radio station? You said that so one transmitter will be enough for rural setting. You said this, right? So one transmitter means one radio station. Okay, so rural is less populated area, okay, and our town is the high populated area. So it means that the number of radio station required in rural setting will be more than the number of radio station required in high populated like in town, okay. So let's say I am not going to keep this bandwidth because it will not give me a good quality of sound. So let's say I am increasing my bandwidth. So if you increase your bandwidth, then the number of radio station for this will also fulfill the need of the rural peoples, okay, because this is the less populated area, so we will require less number of radio station. So in this bandwidth we get 130 radio station. So in rural area let's say we need 550 radio station. So 50 radio station will be enough for rural setting, and in 50 radio station you will get a high bandwidth, and high bandwidth give you a good quality of sound. So that is also a plus point, okay. So let's say I want to keep this bandwidth. So this will be 50 number of radio station and the bandwidth